We got this very ugly post. I'm going to show you how we deal with steel posts when we want to wall them in. Okay? We don't want to use up a lot of space, so we're not going to frame around it. We're actually going to frame inside of it. Stay with me. I'm going to drill a series of holes on each side so I can put a piece of wood in here and then screw to it. Does that make sense? Now I got a lot of cutoffs left from the ceiling, so I'm going to be using those. So I'll end up having a seam here at around 4 feet. So I'm going to mark a 4 foot sec, 4 feet off here. I'm going to drill a hole there and there. I'll put one on each side. So this way I can screw a piece of wood inside of it. Yepper, it's a ton of fun. Okay. I'm also going to put 2 up there, 2 down there on each side. Better get my ladder for that. Whenever I'm drilling and I'm using a step ladder, I always mount it this way. That way, I actually got something to rest my bum against, and it gives me a bit more leverage. Because if you come across it sideways, you've really got nothing to press with. How's that? Heavy drill. So we're going to measure the side. Inside is going to give us approximately 4 3/16. So I'm going to cut some 2x4s. I'm okay with that. This is going to be fun. I really haven't planned this out. I thought about it in my head, that this is the way to do it. But I haven't planned it out, like, is it going to work? Don't know yet. And put it on one piece here. Hopefully this will all make sense in about a minute. I'm going to put that side on. I'm just putting the screws in this side just to hold it in place while it's in my head. I want to sandwich this with a piece of drywall. If I were to do this, so what I want to do now is actually see if I can hit that hole that I drilled. That looks like it hit pretty good. Now this is going to be a long process. Okay, so I'm going to do the same down the bottom. And I'm going to just work my way around until I get everything I need in the right position. Hopefully it's going to work. So this, I'm just going to rip it with my knife. And I'm going in on an angle like this when I'm cutting this. Because when we put our corner bead on, I don't want any jagged parts sticking out, right? So this cut doesn't have to be perfect. The challenge that we have is that any post coverings that we could get off the shelf were either too small or way too big. And we don't want the bulkiness we also want it to look like it belongs, and we want it clean looking, and that's what this post is giving us. It's pretty good. All things considered, we saved a lot of space by framing this post on the inside rather than the outside. Client sure likes it. So do I. It looks good. So that's a little bit of thinking outside the box. And heck, this is the kind of stuff that you enjoy doing and you enjoy watching. Just scroll on down and send me a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe. So framing inside the I-beam worked really well. It ends up nice and smooth, clean, and compact, which was the thing. We really didn't have a lot of room to work with here. We didn't want some big hideous post as soon as you come in the door to smack you in the face. And this worked out really well. It was a little labor intensive, but all things considered, it was really the best solution for the job.